So what time we gonna go to the, what time we leaving tomorrow? What?
How are you talking? I can't even talk.
What am I gonna do? Buy your sweater, take that hot sweater off. I'll buy why you hot. It was too spicy? Huh?
Mom? Dad? Where's everybody at? Mom? Dad? Where the heck are they?
2 hours later.
Mustard! Turn his TV out. What's wrong with you?
I feel like we forgot something.
Think we forgot something?
I don't know. I just feel like I feel like we forgot something. I don't know. Okay.
You good?
I'm tripping.
Mustard! Man, it's been a long drive.
This is the life.
What's up, gang? What's up, gang? It's your boy Brock back with another banger. I ain't playing no games today. I'm about to be getting a little wacky with giving my fiance the world's hottest Mr. Beast candy bar. Oh! I'm about to be giving her the world's hottest Mr. Beast candy bar. It is what it is. It's about to go down. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Smash that notification bell if you haven't already. Smash that notification bell. Make it go ring, ding, dong. Hey, really good ding, 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 dong. Smash that notification bell, please, so we get notifications when we drop new videos, gang, gang. Post notification, gang. Post notification. Shout outs go to Rudolph Jasper, Rebecca Davila, Remy Rich, Jessica Johnson, Ebony Means Beauty, Nuff Said, and Natasha Brewster. Hey, thank y'all so much for turning up in the comments. We love you guys so much. And if anybody want to shout out in any of our videos, make sure you hashtag post notification, gang, down in the comments. And you have your post notification bell turned on, gang, gang. And just keep posting. We gonna get to you, gang, gang. Keep posting. We gonna get to you. Now, look, I'm gonna be eating something already, so it could be open. And then I'm just gonna offer little Watty some. You got the little squares right here. I'm gonna fill up a little square. Okay, I put too much. Yeah, I don't really want her to notice it. Can y'all see it? I'm gonna have to rub that in with something. I ain't finna touch that shit with my fingers. Hold up. That's where I rub my eye and be done for the day. I'm about to be giving her this piece right here while I'm eating this piece. Giving my fiance the world's hottest Mr. Beast candy bar. It is what it is. Put some of that world's hottest hot sauce on it. Let's get straight into this. As soon as she get in the car, we get straight into it. Let's do this thing.
5 minutes later.
Okay.
Oh. I should have brought
cold?
a jacket. It's cold. God, sheesh.
Mr. Beast did his thing. That motherfucker is bomb. The milk chocolate.
Woo, it's cold. Hold on, nigga. God damn.
Melt in your mouth.
Think about heat.
It's a little spicy.
Woo. It's spicy?
It's a little spicy. But that shit fine.
Did you get a spicy version?
I don't know. Maybe it's my spicy. Maybe I'm just spicy. You will?
Ooh, wee.
This is so.
Niggas, your window, roll your window down.
Can I tell you about this chocolate? Can you shut the up and
That's
let me tell you how
your
delicious this motherfucking chocolate is?
Oh.
It's not that damn cold. It's not snowing outside. Sit your ass back and check it out.
I'm a Cali girl. Shit, it's cold.
This is fire.
That's good. Let me taste it.
I'm gonna let you taste it, but you ain't tasting my baba like. I'm like, oh, little thing.
What you mean? I ain't.
Got a little kick to it, but it's crazy. I never tasted spicy and milk chocolate like that together. But there you go. Go.
Spicy and chocolate.
They made a little hut right there. What the hell is
Mr.
that?
Beast always doing something different.
What the hell? You live right there?
Oh, no. Nigga, I don't know. Oh, it is a man inside there.
Yeah.
Well, there's a whole nigga. He look like he cooking some shit.
Look, he just put out a dog out the trash can. What's going on?
What the? Okay, let me roll.
Wait, time out. What that just put a dog out the bag, man? That's a lady. Okay.
Oh, it sure is a woman. That's crazy. That's crazy.
I'm gonna let you have too much. I'm gonna let you bite that.
Oh, that's the whole thing.
Eat that last little swallow. What, you don't like milk chocolate? You don't like the milk in it? You just want chocolate? Dark, you want dark chocolate?
I'm gonna throw it.
Surprise, motherfucker.
You want dark chocolate? You just spit in your water.
That's I don't like
What's
that.
wrong? You don't like dark chocolate? Huh? Too spicy? Go ahead, play. You go. Yeah. You got another piece that you like it so much.
I don't want that.
What's wrong with you? What you doing? Why is you about to Earl? You don't like chocolate?
It's hot. You talking about a little spicy?
It was just a little spicy.
And I spit in my water.
Spit in your...
Ooh.
Your water looks fucked up.
What you mean? My lips.
What happened? This shit went totally wrong. You got the nuclear piece or something. What happened?
Okay, don't talk.
Is it the dark chocolate or the milk chocolate? That's about it. All right.
No.
I don't know.
Okay.
So what time we gonna go to the what time we leaving tomorrow? To the black.
How are you talking? I can't even talk.
What I'm gonna do? If buy your sweater, take that hot sweater off. I'll buy why you hot. It was too spicy? Huh? Police! Help! They ain't put enough milk in the milk chocolate. Nigga, calm down, don't swing on me. Here, open your mouth and blow it. Open your mouth and blow it. I got cool breath.
Stop.
What's wrong?
This ain't a little bit.
It's more than a little bit? It's more than a little bit spicy? Is that what you're saying? I don't know, you ain't told me shit.
It's hot as fuck.
Oh, it's hot? Damn, you think so? It's hot like that hot? Like hot, like that? Remember that hot?
Bruh.
It's got a little bite to it.
It's hot as fuck and it's nasty. That shit nasty as fuck.
It is fire. Don't do Mr. Beast like that.
Mr. Beast and lost his money for Mr.
No, that shit is fire.
He needs to go back to the motherfucking drawing board. Hell no, this ain't it.
What you doing?
This ain't it.
Calm your ass down. You can't even drink no water. You just spit in your water. Bruh.
That shit tastes disgusting.
How it tastes disgusting? This is fire. Oh, my mama, this is real good
It's
milk chocolate.
burning. Hell no.
Is it old or something?
We need to write Mr. Beast. Somebody needs to tell him about that shit. I know he Mr.
January
Beast.
2006.
And then don't be wanting to tell him, but
It's not
somebody
expired.
needs to tell him that ain't it. That ain't it.
Why? You don't like the spicy milk chocolate? Why?
Come on, it stinks. Stop.
I smack your ass. How you gonna tell my breath stink? I smell like milk chocolate.
Oh. That's nasty.
What's nasty? You overreacted to a little bit of spice. Tasha, look, I'm taking it like a G. And you over there overreacting and shit. Earning this shit all in your damn cup.
I take spice better than you.
So why you tripping? That's what I'm saying.
I got my stomach hurting.
Did you eat a jalapeno before you ate that?
I need some water.
Habanero?
Oh my God, my water.
What happened? Huh? You think you got the habanero square or something? What the hell was that?
No, for real though, babe. For real though. I'm glad we didn't do a real actual review on that shit. Oh my God.
I'm not. There's man.
Oh! Ain't nothing tasty about that shit. That shit is nasty and hot. Who wants spicy chocolate? That's gross.
I suggest anybody taste this right here.
Ah.
This Mr. Beast milk chocolate is fire.
My lips is on fire, bro.
So why you think Mr. Beast would make some shit that hot? Like, I don't understand.
At this point, Mr. Beast can do whatever the fuck he want to do, nigga.
How you mad at Mr. Beast for making a candy bar?
Because it's nasty, that's why.
It's not nasty,
That's
you're lying.
nasty
It is not nasty,
That's
it's fire.
nasty.
No, it's fire.
That. Hell no, they need to go back to they need to go back in the office.
To the drawing board? Back to the drawing board?
They need to go back to something.
You think they need to go back to the drawing board?
That nigga make some prank chocolate.
Prank chocolate? Let me see.
Like, why the f would he make some chocolate? That motherfucker hot. And then it's not even good chocolate.
And Mr. Beast Feastables. They're Feastables. You feast on it. Really, Nick? I'm feasting on it. I don't know why you ain't feasting. You want here, take another piece and try.
I don't want no more.
Take another piece and try.
No.
Obviously, that
I
piece
don't
was
want no more Mr. Beast
maybe
candy
tainted
and
with
shit. I'm
something.
cool on Mr. Beast right now. I'm cool.
That piece
I'm
was
cool.
tainted with something. Here,
I'm
taste
cool.
it.
I'm cool. I'm cool. I'm cool.
How you mad at?
I'm straight.
Put your hand down.
I'm straight.
Why Mr. Beast smacked the shit out you?
I'm not playing, bro. I'm good. I'm good.
So you doing all that off a candy bar? How hot can a candy bar be?
My lips is tingling.
Let me see. Oh, they look like they tingling. They vibrating. Look at them.
Oh!
Damn. You okay? Let me see. How that feel?
Back up!
Did that hurt?
That shit's not hot to you at all?
No.
You seem regular.
I told
Why
you.
the f am I over here going through it again? My head. And you seem regular.
Is your lips okay? Is your lips okay?
Can you get me out the sun, please? It's not helping. Please get me out the sun, bro.
Is it too hot? Ooh, look it. Like you got a crack in one of your lips too. Did that spice hit the crack in your lip?
Where did my lips is tingling like a motherfucker.
Your lips is tingling like about that?
I got a spice in the back of my throat that just is stuck there. It's
The lips is tingling like a mother.
water and it's throw up. Oh my God, get me to the house.
Here, drink.
Stop for it.
Oh!
I'm gonna throw it on you.
Oh!
Throw it on you.
Why you throw up in here? Oh, hell no. This shit stink. Throw this shit out the window, my nigga. Throw it out. Hell no. What the
Why
hell?
are you playing with my throat?
I'm not playing. I didn't know it looked that nasty.
Okay, well, leave it alone. The hell? Take me home.
Okay, my bad, my
Mr.
bad.
Beast got me fucked up.
You gonna blame it on
I'm
Mr.
writing
Beast?
that nigga. I'm writing him. I swear to God, I'm writing him. I'm
Tasha.
writing that nigga.
That's your ass.
That shit.
You ate too many jalapenos last night. Now come back to bite your ass.
Ain't no warning label on that motherfucker.
Where's the flavor? Where's the flavor in this?
Do it say that it's hot? I didn't even know he had a hot chocolate, nigga.
It say snack scan to win.
Win what? Because
Mr.
I need to
Beast.
win something after this shit.
It
I
just
need to
say
win something.
Feastables, nigga.
I
It's
deserve
delicious,
for
nigga.
prize,
Hell,
nigga. Give me
it's
some
delicious.
money. You got it. He got it. Let me
It's
hold
delicious.
something.
It's delicious.
Fuck.
Calm your ass down. Here, take a piece.
I don't want no more of that shit. I'm cool on that shit. You think I'm playing? I'm dead serious. I'm not f***ing with Mr. B shit. He better. I ain't gonna tell you that it's giving what it's. Stop playing. And then they got all these people that went on and lied and said that shit was good.
No, it's
like
really
that
fire.
Shit was good.
Taste it.
I tasted it.
You spit it out. You didn't swallow it. When you swallow it, the spice goes away. You didn't let the chocolate overtake the spice.
Bruh.
When you eat it, the chocolate overtakes the spice. That's what I'm saying. That's probably why you tripping. I didn't spit mine out. I took it like a champion and
I ain't a champion.
And the
nigga.
chocolate overtook it.
I ain't a champion. Back up out my face. Back up out my face.
Oh!
You better whoop your ass, bitch.
Y'all niggas is lying, bro.
What?
Y'all niggas is lying just because that's Mr. Beast. Oh my mama.
Why would I
y'all
lie
niggas
because
is
it's
lying.
Mr. Beast?
Y'all niggas is
I don't know
lying.
Mr. Beast.
That shit is not good.
I ain't never met Mr. Beast.
That shit is.
Why not lie because Mr. Beast? Huh?
You look
You
like
sound
a
silly as hell.
Mr. Beast.
Now, if he paid me something, I might lie, boy. Give me a couple of $100,000, I lie, but you knew.
Stop talking so loud. Take me home.
The crazy part is, you're acting like Mr. Beast put some world's hottest hot sauce on your candy.
That's what the fuck it tastes like. Like, that's exactly what the fuck it tastes like. Like, nigga, why would you put some spicy shit in some chocolate like that? In some chocolate like that and not put the warning label? Chocolate like that and not put the warning label.
I definitely don't think he did it. That's my thing. I don't think Mr. Beast did it. And let me get this out your way because I don't trust you at all. You can throw about it, nigga.
You put that on my
Huh? It was just a little bit. I only put a little bit on the tip.
hot sauce